If you got a summer job this year, you might be sitting on something worth over $3 million. Not the paycheck, the account you put it in. Here's what I mean. There's an account called a Custodial Roth IRA. Most adults have never heard of it. Almost no teens know it exists. And it might be the single most powerful financial tool available to anyone under 18. Here's how it works. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where your money grows completely tax-free, not tax-deferred. Tax-free. You pay taxes on the money before it goes in, and you never pay taxes on it again. Not on the growth, not when you withdraw it at retirement, none. Normally, you have to be an adult to open one. But a Custodial Roth IRA lets a parent or guardian open and manage one on behalf of a minor, meaning you, right now, can start one. But here's the catch that most articles skip. You can only contribute money you actually earned. Documented, reported, earned income. A summer job, babysitting with real payment records, lawn care, chores from your parents don't count, allowance doesn't count. Your parents can't just hand you $5,000 and drop it in. The IRS requires it to be real earned income, up to the annual limit, which in 2026 is $7,500. So if you earned $5,000 this summer, you can contribute up to $5,000. And here's the kicker. Most teens earning a few $1,000s from a summer job owe basically zero federal income tax. Your standard deduction wipes it out. So you're putting in money the government barely touched, and it grows tax-free for 50 years. You'll never beat a tax rate of 0. That's what you're locking in. Now let's do the math. Say you work summers from age 13 to 18. You contribute $5,000 a year. Total money you put in, $30,000. Then you stop contributing. You go to college. You live your life. You don't touch it. At a 10% average annual return, which is roughly what the S&P 500 has returned over the last century, that $30,000 grows to over $3.3 million by the time you're 65. Now, 10% is the long-run average. Some years are way up, some are down, and after inflation, it's closer to 7% in today's dollars. Nobody can promise you 10%, but over 50 years, that average is what does the heavy lifting. Tax-free, not $3.3 million taxable. $3.3 million in your pocket. Let that land for a second. $30,000 in. $3.3 million out. Zero taxes. That's not magic. That's compound interest. And the single biggest advantage you have right now? Time. The reason this works so well as a teen is that your money has 50 years to grow. An adult who starts this at 40 only gets 25 years. They have to save much more, much faster, just to get to the same place. You don't. You just have to start. Now let's talk about what Roth means for taxes, because this is the part that actually matters. Most retirement accounts are traditional IRAs or 401ks. You put money in before taxes, it grows, and then you pay taxes when you take it out. So if you retire with $3 million in a traditional IRA, you don't have $3 million. You have $3 million minus whatever tax bracket you're in. At 22%, that's $660,000 gone. With a Roth, you already paid taxes, or in most teen cases, barely paid any, on your $30,000 contribution. The entire $3.3 million is yours. For a teen, this is an especially good deal because you're probably in the lowest tax bracket of your life right now. You're locking in that low rate forever on money that's going to grow for 50 years. Here's what you actually need to do to open one. Step 1. You need documented earned income. A W-2 from an employer. A 1099 if you freelance. If you're doing informal work like lawn care or babysitting, keep records, dates, amounts, who paid you. Keep records either way. If your self-employment work nets $400 or more, the IRS does want it reported. And no matter what, your contribution has to be backed by real, documented earnings. Step 2. A parent or guardian opens the account with you. It's called a custodial account because they manage it until you reach the age of majority. That's 18 in most states, but 21 in a few. And then it becomes a regular Roth IRA in your name. Step 3. Pick a broker. Fidelity, Schwab, and Vanguard all offer custodial Roth IRAs. No fees to open. No minimum balance at most of them. Step 4. Invest it. Don't let it sit as cash. A simple S&P 500 index fund is what most financial advisors recommend for a long-term account like this. Low fees, broad diversification, and it's what the 10% historical return assumes. That's it. 4 steps. And every year you wait makes that $3.3 million number smaller. Here's your challenge. If you have a summer job this year, or any documented income, talk to a parent this week about opening a Custodial Roth IRA. You don't have to put in the maximum. Even $500 started at $13 beats $2,000 started at $30. 4 times the money, starting 17 years later, and it still loses to you. The account exists. The math works. The only thing standing between you and a tax-free retirement is whether you start. Hit subscribe if you want to know moves like this before your friends figure them out. See you in the next one.